I would like to be the great wife first, then mom, and then also to develop myself as a person. And if I can be the good worker, I also would like to continue that path.
Today I'm joined by Galina. So we're just gonna talk to her about, her profile and what she thinks about the current situation in Ukraine. Galina, and thank you for joining us today. So what is your profile number?
So my profile number is 205 and 354.
How long did you register on the website?
I believe it was maybe more than a year ago I registered.
How did you find it?
Yeah, my friend recommended me to contact Galina because she aware of her business, aware of her approach, and that is why she said you should meet this lovely lady because they have a different approach and they actually interested in meeting the people and creating the couples. So I believe this is the right approach for me, not to think about some strange affairs, but to look for a serious relationship.
Why did you decide to extend your horizons and look for possible partner abroad?
I faced difficulties to find the appropriate partner here. So I thought that maybe, or there are a lot of people in the world, so maybe I can find someone with a similar interests somewhere abroad.
Can you tell a bit more about yourself? What are you interested? What do you like? What do you dislike? And what type of person you're looking for? Since you need to share your interests.
Yeah, we both need a little bit about myself. I was working as a sales manager in IT sphere, and now I made this career shift and once again, and now I'm working as a real estate manager. I like this sphere, so I'm a Christian, I'm a Protestant, and I'm looking for a person that also share the Christian ideas and would like to live their life for God and to build a family on the Christian basis.
Well, that should be fairly easy to find, especially in the United States. There are, most of our guys that register on the website, most of them are, I would say, Christian. And as far as your career, so you work for this international real estate company, so it should be fairly easy for you to transfer, to foreign countries. So if you end up moving to the States or wherever else, you can continue working in the same field. Would you like to continue working, or would you prefer to be housewife? What's game plan?
It is an interesting question. I prefer to discuss it with my future husband, but I would like now to have children and then come back to business, come back to career if I would like to, because I'm always in this state of continuous improvement. I'm trying to upgrade myself, to learn something new. So that is why I believe that I would like to be the great wife first, then mom, and then also to develop myself as a person. And if I can be the good worker, I also would like to continue that path.
And your English is so great. Where did you learn it?
So I have experience talking with American missionaries, and also as I work 4 years or 5 years in IT sphere, I had a lot of conversation with IT partners, with international well-established companies. So I believe I improved it enough, but still I passed IELTS several years ago, and to do that I have to prepare a lot. So my work vocabulary expanded, and I hope my grammar also is being good.
Oh yeah, it's excellent. There's so many guys looking for English-speaking lady, because it's easier to communicate right off the bat. Not everybody's willing to put an effort into learning English, so it's great. So so you already have a great career. You already speak English. You're already ready to start a family and have children. You're completely perfect for our guys. What qualities in a man are you looking for? What's your ideal guy looks like?
I would prefer that he will be intelligent, Christian, with a good sense of humor, because I understood that it is important to look at the life with a bright attitude. So I really admire this character trait, sense of humor. I would say that he should like reading books. I like books, poetry, some museums, theaters. I'm not into sport a lot, but still, sometimes it is okay. I don't know, maybe some business, IT interests, maybe just some business interests.
Any physical characteristics that's important to you?
You know, I think that you should meet the person to understand him better, and sometimes you're looking at the photo and you can't explain, like maybe it is okay, but when you meet people, it is a different picture. So I believe that we should first look into each other pictures and then decide on the meeting whether it is a good match, because I understood that this is the same complex for men to decide whether this is like your type of woman, whether you will be comfortable near her.
Well, I guess we're gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you for watching and thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Searching for your Ukrainian women? Connect virtually with Slavic women and let us help you find your ideal match. Begin your journey with us. Visit www.cityofbride.com to learn more.